guys, it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful January day. And today I have another unboxing video for you. So these ones were kindly gifted to me from Fansells. So thank you so much, Ryan at Fansells, for gifting me these beautiful products to review. Fansells, I have to say, are my favourite. I know I shouldn't have favourites, but they are my favourite because when I first started diamond painting, they were my go-to company for ordering large hauls off of. And when I first started my YouTube, if you look back to my very first video, I think my very first video haul was of diamond painting was actually from Fansells. And I just love their products. They have such a huge choice. The quality of the drills are always excellent. And yeah, I really do love Fansells. Okay, that's all I'm going to say on it. But I love all the other companies as well, obviously. But it's just because I feel like I've known Fansells products the longest. Because obviously some of the companies that I've done unboxings for, I didn't actually work with any of their products before they contacted me, but Fansells I did. That's what I'm trying to say. Right, okay, so before I get started, if I could ask you to please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Art, and hit that little notification bell which will notify you of my future video uploads. Okay, and this has really cheered me up, guys, because I'm not gonna lie, I have really had the January blues this week. I don't know about you guys, but I am just like, oh, there's just something about January, isn't there? There really is. It's just not nice. So this one came very, very quickly from Fansells, I have to admit. So I've got one, I've got two, and three, and four items to show you guys. So I think we will start with the coasters. So these ones I saw, and I particularly liked them because guess what, guys, they're red. And as you guys know, my favourite colour is red. So I just fell in love with them and I was like, oh no, I've got to have these, So we get our drills and we get the standard kit, which is your green boat, your pink wax and single placer pen. That's basic kit of everything that you need to get started in diamond painting. So that's basically it. You know, if you're new to diamond painting or just having a little taster of it, don't buy anything more than this, guys, you know, because, well, don't buy anything if you get something diamond painted, because it comes with every single item, whether it be a fidget spinner, a badge, a key ring or coasters. It will always come with a standard kit just like this one. Okay, so there's no point in spending extra money, especially not in January. Okay, so we only get 5 different colours on this because that's all that's needed. So we have number 1, which is a clear. Might as well do these first, actually. A clear rhinestone, 2 bags of clear, and then 3 bags of bright, gorgeous red. I love red. It's just such, oh, just love it. Just cheers me up. I don't know why. And the quality of the drills are really good. They're a little bit dusty, but other than that, I can give them a wipe down. That's no problem. But they are gorgeous. Very sparkly. Okay. Lovely. Okay. So the ones I chose were the ones that already have the MDF on the back. They are made out of MDF, I think, and then they've just got the word, so there's no acrylic actually, I don't think, on these. I don't know. No, I think that is just a sticker been placed over. Okay, so we have this one, Joy, with beautiful snowflakes, and you can clearly see that wording is going to come out brilliantly because of the fact that it is all one colour as well. So, and that against the red background is really going to make it come out. So there's Joy. And then we have Peace. Believe, of course, you got to believe. Love. Merry Christmas. And oh, Noel. Let It Snow. And Hope. So there's 8 here. Let me just put them all down here. There we go. Eight coffee coasters. There we go. I hope they're all in the frame. I think they are. There we go. And they are more than a generous size for a coffee cup. Let's see, they are coming in at, hang on a second, 10 centimetres, guys, circumference. Okay. Now they are a bit sticky, and because you're going to be using them obviously to put down your coffee cup on, I would always recommend sealing a product like this, just because you're going to put all this lovely drills on and you don't want them to fly off here, there and everywhere. So always have a sealant on hand. There's numerous products available, Mod Podge, etc. Or you could just use any sort of varnish, furniture varnish. Obviously make sure it's a clear gloss though. Okay. Let me just test the adhesive. Hang on a second. Oh, I had it then. Come on, it doesn't want to work with me today, guys. There we go. Yeah. Good quality stick. Not too smelly either, which is good. And nice clear drill filled as well. Those symbols are perfectly clear, and we don't have guide circles. We don't have the black guide circles that we all know about. Okay, so they should come out lovely, really nice. Okay, so I might save these ones for Christmas in July. I don't know if I can help stop myself, because I do like doing off canvas items, as you guys know. Right, hold on a second. I'm going to link all these products in the video description down below as always, and at the end of the video I will let you know the prices to give you a rough idea. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, now I am back. Next item is key rings or keychains. Standard kit, but this one comes with just a couple of little baggies, just a few there. Okay, let me put that over there actually. And then these, I think these are nutcrackers. I'm not sure though. I'm really not sure, because we don't really have a lot of nutcrackers here in the UK. So hang on a second, I've just noticed I'm going over there a bit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I like to call them toy soldiers personally, but zoom you in a bit. There we go. So 6 toy soldiers, and they are double-sided as well on this acrylic. Okay, it's quite a thick piece of acrylic, and the symbols are nice and clear. I can never get this clear cover up when they're on such small. Hang on a second, it's coming. No, it's not. Oh, there we go. I've got it. Nearly. There, got it. Honestly. So they are very, very strong. The glue is, whoo, as soon as I took that cover off, I could smell it. You know, it just hit me in the face. But it's got a lot of glue is on there. Okay, definitely have to do this in a well ventilated area, guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let me cover Mr. And they're a bit sticky around the edge as well, but that's okay because you'd have to seal them anyway, whether they're used as key rings or Christmas tree ornaments, which is what I was going to use these for. So I saw these and I thought, oh, I like them. I've not got any soldiers or nutcrackers on my Christmas tree, so why not? Why not? So this is a gorgeous first one. Nice clear print there. Really cute. And then we have this one with his nice little moustache and his little, is it called a scepter? I'm not sure what that item there is called. That stick. It's not a stick, but and then another soldier in green. Okay, another one in blue, and they are all, like I said, double-sided. Okay, then another one here with a nice little a nice moustache. Okay, he's very skinny, that one actually. This one's a bit more plumper. Another moustache one in green. There. So 6 of them all together. They are a generous size. Let me just tell you now. They are measuring at 8.5 centimeters. Okay, so really good size for Christmas tree ornaments or keychains. They were in the keychains department. So, and then you get your clips and your chains to apply if you're going to use them to hang them up somewhere. There we go. So there we go. They're all there. And these are the drills. Okay, let me just see how many we have here. We have 13 different colours and shapes for these 6 soldiers. So there we go. We have a clear rhinestone, we have a black, a red, a rich royal blue there, a really dark yellow, very dark yellow actually. Gorgeous gold. Lovely. A yellow again, a green, another yellow, a grey, and then we have a yellow golden teardrop there, and then one of my favourites, the gold marquee, and then some gold domes. There we go. Lovely. So the gold domes will go on their belt buckle, I think. Yes. There. On just one of them. Just trying to see. Has he got a Y on him? I'm just trying to see. No, we've got one up there as well, the gold domes. One on his hat. One on his belt buckle there. Yeah, there's only a couple of those gold domes on them. There we go. Okay, hold on and I will grab the next item. Hold on a second. Okay, next item. Okay, so this is a partial. It is a 30. Let me just zoom you out, guys. Hang on. It is a 30 by 30 partial standard kit once again. And it's simply some flowers in a vase. And it was in the new arrivals section, this one. The canvas is really, really soft, guys. Because it is so soft. There we go. And it has only 9 different colours and special shapes going on. Although we do have some deep folds in here, but that's okay. Once we get them, this one underneath my other heavy canvases, it should flatten out really nicely. And I can see there's so much shimmer in the actual canvas itself. Hang on, I'm just going to try and see if the camera can pick it up. I don't know if you can see, there's like a real shimmer in the actual canvas as well, just to give it a little bit more sparkle. Lovely. Okay, there we go, perfect. So just 9 different colours here, and the same symbol on the bags is the same as on the canvas, which is good. That helps. And just stunning, isn't it? Just stunning. I really, really saw this and fell in love, and it's just beautiful, beautiful. So nice clear print, as you can see. There you go. I'll take you up really close there. Nice and clear. And basically a partial, for those who are new, is one that you don't have to diamond paint all of the picture. So for example, this one is a partial, and you simply diamond paint the area in the middle, the vase and the flowers, where the symbols and the adhesive is basically. Okay, so there's our tiny little legend there. We do have the crystal codes as well, So if you are storing your leftover drills by crystal codes, then that's good. I don't store mine like that. I store mine just to eye, really, you know, and colour coordinate it. There we go. That's the thumbnail and the item number. And this one, I can tell just by looking at it, it's gonna be absolutely beautiful when completed, once we get all those special shapes, because I can see we've got a couple of special shapes going on here. And yeah, it will be beautiful. And I love the fact that in here, in the vase, the picture on the vase is diamond painted a little bit as well. Not too much, just a little bit on the petals. Okay, so again, 30 by 30 centimetre would be the overall canvas size, not the diamond painting area size, okay? Just to let you know that, if you are new, because we do get some new people. I get some new people learning new things all the time, and that's what YouTube's all about, I think, is so that we can help each other, learn from each other. That's the main thing, isn't it? Okay, so the drill bag has the item number on, which is this one. Always double check your drills match up to the correct canvas, because accidents do happen. That's all I'm saying, okay? Now, let's see. So we have a clear rhinestone there. We have red. Have a really soft baby pink there, really light pink. We have a green, two shades of green actually. Are they the same? No, they're slightly, this one's slightly darker. So, and then we have a medium-sized baby pink there. A nice bright pink teardrop there, large teardrop. It almost looks like purple in certain lights, this one actually, like a magenta sort of colour, but I'm going with pink. I'm going with dark pink for now. And then we have a red marquee as well. Oh, did you see that sparkle then, guys? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, very shiny. And then we have a small marquee in the dark pink as well. Okay. Should we see if I can get a sparkle from that one? Come on. Not quite. But yeah, they are beautiful, beautiful quality as well. I mean, look at the backs of these. Look, I mean, there's a tiny little scratch there, but there's hardly anything. I mean, you couldn't look. Isn't that beautiful? Lovely. Okay. Is there anyone else that gets excited over the quality of the drills, or is it just me? Let me know in the comment section, please. Let me know I am not alone with getting excited about how shiny drills are. Oh dear. I often ask myself, what's happening to me? I don't know. It does make, you know, when you've got a passion for something, it does make you over excited about the little things, shall we say. Okay. So, that's the only canvas I got with this PR pack. So the next item is more keychains. Yes. So there's our chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think, in there, from what I can see. Standard kit once again. And then we've got some little dolls. I'm not going to say they're LOL dolls, but they bear an uncanny resemblance to the LOL dolls. That's all I'm saying. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me zoom you up. And then, whoa. So we have this one. I have no idea of a name of them. I'm just going to say blue haired girl. There we go. This one is gorgeous, isn't it? Look at the size of that bow. There we go. And then we've got one with some little cheerleading pom-poms. She's got to be a cheerleader, isn't she? And then this one. And then that one who looks like a little angel with her little halo. There we go. Okay, so these are just too cute. And I bet you can't guess why I got these, guys. Yeah, I got them because my little girl is mad on LOL dolls. Okay. Right, okay, so yeah, my little girl, she is mad on LOL dolls, and because these bear an uncanny resemblance to them, I saw them and I was like, yep. And I said to her, I'm going to see if I can find some that look similar. So there we go. Let's have a look here. They are measuring in at 8 centimetres by 8 centimetres by 5 centimetres there. So a really good size. She wants to use them as key rings. I said to her, you know, they might be a bit too delicate to have as key rings. But I don't know. To be honest, I think she'll end up playing with them, to be honest, because she does like her little dolls. So, but they are just gorgeous. They really are. Really cute. I think my favourite one has to be this one. This one or the blue haired girl, I think. So, although I do like her bow, I do. But print is nice and clear, as you can see. And I just want to test. No, not too strong. The adhesive is not strong at all. Yep. Once again, it is a little bit sticky around the edges, but that's okay, because I would always recommend, as I said, you're sealing something that's going to be touched by little hands or just on a key ring. You know, I don't know how these would hold up on a key ring. Maybe I would just put them maybe on a zip on a bag or something like that. Yeah. But they are very, very cute. Very cute. The symbols are all made up of alphabet and funky symbols. We've got some division symbols there. Yeah, and we got some triangles there as well. Stars on that one. And plus. So that one looks like it's all alphabetical. That one has some pluses and stars on. Anyway, right, okay. So, yeah, that's my little dolls. Let's have a quick look at the drills. And then I will get the prices for you guys. So, 2 shades of blue. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, seeing different colours and shapes on these little keychains. So a yellow, dark pink, a light pink, a purple, black, very shiny white, a lilac colour there, almost like a rose gold colour there, you know, like a really light orangey colour, a brown, another brown, a blue, and then teeny tiny teardrops of a purple, and then we've got a pearl teardrop in white, very shiny, I think it's got the AB coating on it. Yeah, I think it does have a little AB coating on there as well, perhaps. Okay, and then an AB coated red dome as well. So AB is the Aurora Borealis, which just gives it a little bit more of a sparkle. It's an extra coating, which is iridescent and just reminds me personally of the Northern Lights, because it throws off lots of different colours in lots, you know, in different lights, different shades. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to hop off now, get the prices. So just give me a second. Remember, if I forgot to say that they are double-sided as well, these key rings, okay? And they are the thicker acrylic as well, okay? Just to let you guys know. Okay, hold on. Right, I've been on the website just to get the prices for you. So for the 6 soldier key rings, these ones, they are $6.08 at the moment as of today, which is, what is the date today? I don't know. The 13th. It's not Friday the 13th, is it? Let me have a look. It can't be. It is. Oh my gosh. No wonder. No wonder the world's going crazy. It's Friday the 13th of January 2023. So there we go. $6.08 for them ones. And $6.08 for the little girls. And then for the partial canvas, $3.64, guys, for this. It's beautiful. That's a real bargain, especially because once you go into special shapes, the price suddenly jumps up. So that is a really good budget friendly bargain. Okay. And then for the coasters, the 8 coasters, $8.52. Okay, so yeah, really good, lovely little items, fun projects to start off 2023. And then once I get them completed, I will obviously do a completion video. Obviously I might not get all of them done, but maybe 1 or 2 items, yes. Okay, all right then. So another huge thank you to Fansells. Any discount codes I have, I will put in the video description, and also check them out, because they do have, as I said on lots of my other videos, they have got lots of sales on the stores at the moment, just because they obviously are trying to declutter from Christmas, maybe, perhaps, I don't know, but they do have lots of January sales on. Okay, so if you have a bit of the January blues like I have, then get on there and have a look. If you like diamond painting, then I'm sure, or cross stitch, they sell both of them, and I think they might even do paint by numbers as well. So, you know, just check them out, have a little browse, and just have a look, see what they've got in stock. So anyway, that's all from me. I hope you've enjoyed this little video and enjoyed the items that I've chosen. And take care. God bless. I will speak to you all soon. And please like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Porgy's Diamond Art. And hit the little notification bell, which will notify you of my future video uploads. Okay, guys. So take care. God bless. And I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now. Bye.